Indeed, 2022 was by all means one of the most successful years in our corporate history, and I think one of the most successful years in every corporation. And I'm not talking about the financial magnitude of our success, but I'm talking 1.2 billion patients. The lives of those 1.2 billion people were touched by our medicines. We were voted #1 patient-centric organization by 2,600 associations of patients. Our success rates in clinical success rates are at all-time record, 22% clinical success end-to-end from first to human to approval. May look small to some people, only 1 in 5 succeeds, but the average in the industry is 11% from 22. And I can go on and on about the patient engagement, our impact, the favorability, but I truly believe that the best days of Pfizer are ahead. In the next 18 months, we are about to launch 19 new products and indications. Most of that, 19 new products.
Wow.
Across a very big variety of medical issues that are creating medical issues to people. And I think it's something that is unprecedented. No one has ever done 19 in 18 months, including us. But I'm very confident that our manufacturing machine, our commercial organization will pull it together, and the best days are ahead. Look, we are dealing with a very nasty virus. Two characteristics. One, it is if you get sick, even or vaccinated, the immune protection that you are getting from those two, it doesn't last for long. And then the second, it is keeps changing. That creates even more complications. But we are well equipped. I think the technology that we have right now, the mRNA, which is the main technology for these vaccines, can adapt very quickly. So if there is a need to change it, that will happen. And the medicines that we have right now, which is, for example, Paxlovid, as you said, it's irrelevant of variations and works equally among all variants that have been observed so far. What is my prediction? I think it is that in the months and years ahead, social distancing will disappear. People will not be taking any measures. I think the vaccination rates will go down, will stabilize around 30+%. That will have as a result that new waves will be coming because people will not be current with the boosters, the population as it is right now. The clinical manifestation of the waves likely will be more severe, so we'll have more people in hospitals because they are not well immune, the population. But then the treatments will go up as a result, and so we have a hedge strategy to be able to address. Oh, we are working with the Chinese authorities a lot to be able to help them. You know, we are not the ones that are setting healthcare policies, are the healthcare authorities of every country. CDC, FDA here, for example, and in China they have their own bodies. So we are trying to understand what is their policy and their needs. So far, they have shown tremendous interest in Paxlovid. And the Paxlovid was registered in China months ago, and we were giving very low quantities. Now that China is opening, apparently, the cases are skyrocketing from what we are hearing. So we are sending as much Paxlovid as we can. Our manufacturing machines are working, so to be able to supply them at this stage.